Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
In this video, I will explain how to make acorn hair. First, you'll want to gather your materials. Look for about 10 to 15 intact acorns, making sure their caps are still firmly attached. Next, find some natural fibers such as yarn, raffia, or even thin strips of fabric. You'll also need a good quality craft glue and a small pair of scissors to help with the detailed work. Getting everything ready beforehand makes the process much smoother. Now that you have your supplies, let's prepare them. Gently clean each acorn with a damp cloth to remove any dirt or debris, then let them dry completely. For your chosen fiber, cut several strands, each measuring approximately 3 to 4 inches long. You'll want a good handful of these. If your fiber is thick, gently separate the strands to create a more natural, flowing hair effect for your acorns. With your acorns and fibers ready, it's time to attach the hair. Take one acorn and carefully apply a small dot of craft glue to the inside of its cap. This is where the hair will be secured. Next, gently insert a small bundle of your prepared fiber strands into the glue. Press them firmly into place and hold for about 10 to 15 seconds to ensure a strong bond. Repeat this process for all your acorns. Finally, let's add some finishing touches to your acorn hair creations. Once the glue is completely dry, you can trim the fiber hair to your desired length and even style it a bit. Feel free to add tiny decorative elements like small beads or glitter for extra flair, if you wish. These charming little figures are perfect for seasonal decor, nature tables, or as unique gifts. Enjoy your handmade acorn hair.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.